In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Salesforce. If you spend a lot of time working in Salesforce, switching to dark mode can make your workspace more comfortable on the eyes, especially in low light environments. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through every click you need to make so you can turn on the option for users to enable dark mode in your Salesforce org. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're logged in and you're on the main Salesforce homepage, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is the setup menu. Click on that gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option called Open Advanced Setup. When you select this, Salesforce will open a new page in the setup area where you can configure more detailed settings for your organization. On the Advanced Setup page, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical panel that contains a lot of different setup options, and at the top of that panel, there's a search bar. Click inside that search bar and type the word theme. As you type, Salesforce will filter the options below. From the search results, select Themes and Branding. This section is where you control the appearance of your Salesforce interface. Once you've clicked Themes and Branding, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a list of available themes. Among them, find the one named Salesforce Cosmos SLDS2. This is one of the standard themes that supports dark mode. On the far right of that row, you'll see a small downward-facing arrow. Click that arrow to open a small menu and then choose Edit. After you click Edit, the theme settings page for Salesforce Cosmos SLDS2 will load. Scroll through this page until you see a section related to dark mode. Here you'll find an option labeled Let Users Enable Dark Mode with a checkbox to the left of it. To allow dark mode in your organization, simply click that checkbox so that it's selected. Once the box is checked, go to the bottom or top of the page, depending on where the Save button appears in your layout, and click Save. Salesforce will apply your changes. From now on, users will have the option to enable dark mode in their own personal settings, giving them a more comfortable viewing experience.